Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now first step is to go to your computer browser and head on to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. And once you're in Shopify, just log in into your account. And next, go to the business that you want to set up shipping with. So I'm just going to click on right here. And once you've done that, just locate the section right here and let's go to settings. Now under settings, just go to shipping and delivery right here. So this is where we will set up your shipping and delivery. Now first things first, under shipping, choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping at checkout. So basically we will set up a rate for shipping, so just click on manage right here. And shipping origins, this is where you're currently residing at, so just manage if Shopify doesn't get your shop location right. And now shipping zones, domestic zones, just click on add rate if you want to ship domestically, and just let's say the rate name is standard, and set the price that you want. So for domestic shipping, I'm just gonna charge 70 pesos right here, and I'm gonna click on done. So if you want to ship internationally, just click on show all, and these are the countries that Shopify will cater internationally for shipping. So just click on add rate right here if you want to ship internationally, and the rate name is standard again, or you can choose any name that you want, and the price should be higher than my domestic shipping. So for example, I'm just gonna set my international shipping price to 300 pesos, and I'm gonna click on done. And I think that's it. So just click on save right here to save your shipping rates. So once I've done that, let's go to processing time. So I've done my shipping rates, and now let's go to processing time. So this allows the delivery rate dates to your customers by setting a processing time. So if you process orders in 2 business days or less, so this will be added to the transit time of your shipping rates. So just manage right here, just click on manage, and just check on use processing time to show delivery dates at checkout. So your processing time should be the same business day, the next business day, or 2 business days. It's all about preference though, and for my business, I'm just gonna check on the same business day. And once I've done that, I'm just gonna click on save right here again. And there, I've already saved my processing time. So let's just go back, and now let's set up a local delivery. So if you want to cater a local delivery in your area, so this is where you will be setting up. So just click on that, and just click on the location offers local delivery. So just click on that and just choose use postal codes right here, or you can just set a delivery radius, so set a distance around your location that you deliver to. Now personally, I just like to use postal codes because it is very accurate. And the zone name should be local delivery or anything that you want, and set up the postal codes that you want to deliver. So for now, I'm just gonna click on the postal code of Cebu City and the postal code of my province city. And now just enter the minimum order price you want for local delivery. So I'm just gonna set this to 120 pesos, and the delivery price you can set it to 0 for a free delivery, and I'm just gonna set this to 30 pesos. So you can add a delivery information right here, like bundles of coffee to be ordered, like that. Or you can just select create new delivery zone. And once you've done that, just click on save again right here. Now we are done setting up a local delivery for a shop location, and now let's go to local pickup. So this allows customers to pick up their orders at your location. So just click on that to set up your pickup location. But first, let's just check on this location offers local pickup and expected pickup time, usually ready in 1 hour, 2 hours, or 24 hours, 2 to 4 days, or in 5+ days. So I'm just gonna select usually ready in 1 hour, and of course you have no delivery fee for this because customers will go to your store and pick this up, or pick their orders up. So once you've done that, just click on save again right here, and let's go back. So we've done the location pickup. So delivery customization. So customize how your customers see delivery options at checkout by filtering, reordering, and renaming them. So in my case, there are no apps installed with delivery customization, so visit the Shopify App Store to install one. So just click on the Visit Shopify App Store to install one if you want to have a delivery customizations. So next is shipping package. So the package sizes you use to ship your products. So I'm just gonna click on add package right here, and the package name you can just say standard package. And now select the package type you want to seal your products with. So you can select a box, an envelope, or a soft package or satchel. So I am selling bottled coffee, so I'm just gonna select a soft package or satchel right here, and just adjust the length you want, the width of your package, and the height of your package. So when empty, optional. So just click on add package right here, and you're good to go. So it says successfully add package. And now let's go to packaging slips. So this is a printed list of items in a shipment that often goes inside a package. So just click on add it right here. And as you can see, these are codes, and oh my god, I can't understand these codes, but don't you worry, because you won't be doing anything in these codes. So these are just an example right here. So I'm just gonna let you preview a template of the code right here. So as you can see, these are the pre-made packaging slip that Shopify does. So it's very slick and it's very professional to look at, and I want it just to stay it that way. So we are done with the packaging slip, and now let's go back and select carrier accounts. So this enables third-party carrier to calculate rates at checkout. So my plan currently doesn't offer these features, so we need to upgrade my plan or your plan to enable calculated shipping rates using accounts from FedEx, UPS, and NAP. So just upgrade your plan if you want to enable carrier accounts. And lastly, customer order fulfillment. So this enables you to add an email for a customer fulfillment service that fulfills orders for you. So just click on add fulfillment service right here if you want to, and just click and just type on the name you want and the email address that you want. So just click on save right here, and customer fulfillment service is already added. So as you can see, basically we have done everything to set up our shipping and delivery. So it's very simple, and now you are good to go. So I hope this video helps you, everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell for more videos like this. Have a good day, everyone!